Hey guys, it's Saturday and I got an amazing delivery today. Oh man, I'm so happy these came in. I had to open these already, so sorry guys, but this is a partial unboxing. But today I received my autopots finally. They came from Green Planet. A lot of you might not know that Green Planet is the actual creators of the autopot or makers of it. They own it, so yep, I'm about to pull these out. This is the new Smart Pot XLs. So right here we have the tray. Beauty. I'm sure these are the valves inside of here. Yep, that's the valve. You can see her. She goes right inside of here. And then I ordered some of the Smart Pots for it because these ones fit perfectly for it. Wow, these are huge. Okay. And these are the Smart Pots that go inside of it. Let me just get this here. Oh shit. Hold on one good second, guys. I'm gonna put the camera down. Get this thing in here so we can get a better view of this. Okay. There we go. That's basically how she goes in. I think I'm gonna roll the tops down a little bit. She's a little high, but fucking awesome, man. Some more Smart Pop valves in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, and then you got a cap here that you got to put over the Smart Pop valves because you don't want any bacteria or algae starting, right? With the light hitting the water. But that's about it, man. The Autopot XL. I just got to get myself a reservoir. I might DIY my own. Just because you can do it for cheaper, right? But other than that, this is the shit. It's fucking awesome, guys. I'll do a further video soon of me setting these up. Anyways, have a good one, guys. Peace out.